Hello guys, UPSC 2025 result is out and the highest ever number of students have cleared in terms of ratio. Okay, in terms of the vacancies, 14,161 clearing prelims is the highest ever by ratio. So by ratio, if you want to know what it is, I'll just show you in the Excel sheet format of the vacancies versus the number of people who cleared. This is the number of vacancies available, and you know it has been declining, and it was latest 979. And as per UPSC's usual trend, they take 12 to 13 times of the vacancies to be writing the mains. Meaning we are expecting around 13,000 people. This is what we did in our cutoff video and all. And around 2,500 people will give the mains, and finally the cutoff will be around 78 to 82. That is what the range we predicted, with which the people will reach till interview, and 1,000 people will be finally clearing. That is 979 people will be clearing. So here if you see, it is 14.46 times this time the people who have cleared. This ratio, this people who have cleared, and this vacancies, if you see, if you divide it, this is the number which comes out. Nowhere in any previous year it has been like this. Okay, only in 2016 it was like that, which was the easiest prelims ever, where the cutoff was the highest also, because that year the questions were almost everything straight from the book or straight from government schemes and all. So that was the easiest paper. But this time it is not an easy paper. CSAT also was tough. So in spite of all that, if these many people have to clear, that shows only one indication that the cutoff has to be going low. Okay, but that doesn't mean it goes below 75 cutoff and all, which came in 2023. It can be again in that same range of 78 to 82. Okay, 80 is what we had concluded by talking to different students and all. But again, now after this result came, many students are telling like, I'm getting 91, I'm getting 95, but still my name is not there in the list. I am not able to clear. So something is wrong. So these and all, you have to understand that there can be various reasons. One is you actually would have scored maybe 90 or 100 you would have scored, but CSAT you would have failed. Then in such a case, your name will not be in the list. Okay, so that need not be a reason that the cutoff should be something else. Okay, the cutoff is still, we are hoping that it is in the range of 80s, because people who are got 85, 86 range as per the answer key, they are telling that they have cleared. So we still stick to that only. I don't think cutoff will go above 85 or 87. It should not go. The paper's toughness level was like that. CSAT also was tough. So it should again stay in that level only. So now whatever happened is happened. Who have cleared, congratulations to them. You are going to give the UPSC mains this August 22. And those who did not clear, maybe something like CSAT or some luck did not favor you, or some mistake. Okay, whatever calculated may be wrong. Okay, because UPSC may even delete 2-3 questions because of the mistakes which we discussed in previous videos. But still, in case you couldn't clear, it could be a luck factor, or maybe what you thought and marked can be different from what the actual answer is. Many factors are there. So that and all we can discuss. And again, now to see the result. Okay, if you want to see the result, upsc.gov.in, this is the place you have to go. And there is one more website where actually you can see the names of the people who cleared also. Okay, here if you come, only the roll numbers you will see. The written result is there of both preliminary service and the forest service. Okay, so this one, if you click on these things, it will take you to a PDF which is like published today, few hours back, 11th June, and there it is told that as per the prelims which happened on 2025, we have brought out the list, and now those who cleared, obviously you have to go for mains. So that related steps you have to do between 16th to 25th June. The window will be open on the same website where you have to pay your 200 rupee fees, same like you paid 100 rupee for prelims, 200 rupee for mains you have to do. But if you are a female, SC, ST and the physical disabled people and all, you don't have to pay the fees. And then if you need a scribe for your exam, for your blindness or something, or you need another person, that kind of updation also, the same window you have to go and update. And then any other thing where your name changed or something changed based on your certificates or thing, all these application will be available from 16th June to 25th June. Okay. And further you scroll down the PDF, you will see more details like the marks, the cutoff marks, answer keys, which we have been asking the UPSC since years that they should ideally publish it along with the result. But they are still telling that we will do it only after the entire process of Civil Service Examination 2025 and the Forest Service Examination is concluded. That is after the final result. That is when 2026 students is going to give their prelims on May 24, 2026, after 1 year. Just before that, maybe you will come to know the marks and cutoff and the answer key, what based on which now this correction has happened. Okay, that is one wrong thing which is happening in UPSC since years, and it is continuing that way. Okay, and then if you scroll down further, you will see the roll number starting from the 0 series till the 8 series. Okay, starting with 8, the roll number, this is the last roll number. But here again, you can't see the name. Okay, even roll number is sufficient. You can do Control F in this PDF and then search for your roll number and you can get it. But still, if you want to see your name, instead of upsc.gov.in, go to upsconline.gov.in. There you have this written result with name facility also for both the civil service and the forest service. And that when you click on the civil service one, you will get with that same roll number but with the name as well. Okay, so that is a always everybody gives this exam to see their name in UPSC list, and so this is a very proud moment for you also, that you have cleared the very first stage of prelims, which is like a very big eliminator. So that's why we told you have done your great efforts and finally it has come, okay, as a prelims, but your effort should not stop here. You have to continue studying so that in the next thing also which comes, okay, this is the last name, 14,161 name, this is the name, and these people will give your mains in August. So now 3 cases are possible, audience of this video. One is you have cleared the prelims, you are among those 14,161. So you have 72 days for your mains. That is the first day of mains is August 22, and there will be a 5-day exam. Okay, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then again Saturday, Sunday, 5 days, where you have to give 9 papers. Okay, the paper A, paper B, which is qualifying paper, which will be each out of 300 marks, 3-hour paper. You have to score at least 75 out of it. Okay, only then you will be eligible for the other papers, meaning you will be writing anyway, but they will evaluate your other papers only if you qualify the paper A, paper B, that is one Indian language and one English language. It's a very simple paper. They ask you writing comprehension, easy, this meaning opposite translation kind of thing. And then essay, GS1, GS2, GS3, 4 and optionals. These optional 2 papers are there. So total 7. So 9 papers you have to write. All these are out of 250 marks. So total around 1750 marks of your mains will be there. After that your interview marks will be there, and total around 2025. Okay, around that much marks is your total in which your ranking will be done. Okay, this paper A, paper B marks is not counted for your evaluation or ranking. Same like your prelims mark which you got now, that also is not going to be taken for your ranking. Okay, and in this, all these papers, how to do, what to do and all, we have done enough videos, and we'll do more videos in the coming days. And you should join some test series also and make use of this 72 days to make sure that you clear the mains as well, and you will be in the final 2,500 people who will give the interview. Okay. And the second case, okay, next possibility is that you did not clear your prelims due to various reasons. It can be morning paper, it can be afternoon paper, or maybe your preparation had some lacking in it. So whatever it is, you have done your best. Luck did not favor you. You just message us. We will discuss what can be done, what was the mistake you did, what is the strategy to be applied. All these things we'll discuss. We have done a free foundation series also to understand your mistakes, and more videos I will do in the coming days. And there is a new 1-year timetable also available, test series timetable, which is starting next Monday. So you take your time, relax, and then make yourself ready mentally and physically to give the next attempt along with the people who are going to give the prelims in 2026. Okay, even 2027 if you are watching, there is a 1-year timetable now starting next Monday. But first, you should not join any test series. You should first watch the free foundation videos, which will make you understand what this exam is about, what is the syllabus, what is the mark distribution, where is negative marking, how can you score high marks in the total thing, how will you come in the rank list. All these things in a free series I am teaching you. So come and WhatsApp me and get those video series. And then in case you are aware of all these things, parallelly try to join the test series also, which is prelims plus mains integrated. 340 days you will sit and study as per how I tell you. Daily notes from the newspapers also will be given, so that you don't miss even a single thing which UPSC is going to ask you. And this way you can ensure that next year you will reach the cutoff. Okay, various of our students also have told that their cutoff is cleared, and many people who told that they will clear did not clear also. This can happen every year. As I told, maybe your GS score was good but your CSAT score is poor. Okay, so that may be the reason. So focus on CSAT more this time. So like that you have to plan well, and hopefully next year we will see all the people who actually calculates their marks from the exam hall gets that exact marks in the final result as well. Okay, so this is about the result. Wait for the next parts of it, the next series of it, and keep your preparation at this very high standard itself. Don't let yourself go down. Everything happens. Okay, result happens. There are, like last year's topper was, I think, the 5th attempt that person became the topper. So you should also not give up. This requires 2-3 attempts and you have to be ready for that mentally. Okay, so I'll come up with the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.